Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 8 factors and multiples. Now in your sixth question, exercise 8a, sixth question, write down the prime numbers between, in that third one, C, 110 to 125, 113 and 119 we wrote, but 119 is divisible by 7. Okay. So that we can cut. It is a composite number. So only prime number between 110 to 125, it is 113. Okay. So please make it correct. 113 is the only prime number between 110 to 125. Okay. Now let's discuss homework answers. Second question, exercise 8b, second question, find the HCF of 82 and 104. So, the factors of 82, you will get 1, 2, 41, 82. Then factors of 104, you will get 1, 2, 4, 8, 13, 26, 52 and 104. So, the common factors of 82 and 104 are 1 and 2. Okay, so HCF will be the greatest of common factor, that is 2. Okay. Next, fourth question, find the common factors of 45, 60 and 75. Find the HCF of 45, 60 and 75. So, factors of 45, 60 and 75 we can take. So, factors of 45, it is 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. Okay. Factors of 60, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. Okay. Factors of 75 equal to 1, 3, 5, 15, 25, 75. So, common factors in 45, 60 and 75 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Therefore, HCF will be the greatest of common factor, that is 15 here. Okay, so HCF equal to 15. Next question, sixth one. Find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factor method. So here there is another method, that is prime factorization method to find the HCF. Okay. So first question, 75 and 125. So while doing prime factor method, we need to do the prime factorization of 75 and also prime factorization of 125. Okay. So, you have studied how to do the prime factorization of a number. Okay. So, 75. Use prime numbers only for dividing. Okay. While doing prime factorization method, use only prime numbers for dividing a number. So, first prime number, it is 2. But 75 is not divisible by 2. So, you can't take 2. Okay. Then after 2 it comes 3. So 75 is divisible by 3. So you can divide 75 by 3. Okay. Use prime number with which 75 is divisible. Okay. So 75 divided by 3, you will get 25. Okay. Now 25. Find a prime number with which 25 is divisible. So, 2 you can't take, 3 also you can't take, 5 you can take. Okay, 25 is divisible by 5. So, divide 25 by 5. So, you know 25 by 5, it is 5. Now, 5 you can divide it by 5 only. Okay, so 5 divided by 5 you will get 1. So, 75 prime factorization, it will be 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. 75 equal to, you can write it 3 into 5 into 5. Next, do the prime factorization of 125. Okay. So, 125 is divisible by 5. Okay. So, 5 you will get 25. Answer. Now 25 is also divisible by 5. So 25 divided by 5, you will get 5. Now 5 is divisible by 5 only. So 5 divided by 5, you will get 1. So prime factorization of 125, it is 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, so 5 into 5 into 5. Now what to do is pair the common factors. Okay, here 3 is coming, but here no 3. Here 5 is coming, so this 5 you can pair with the 1 5 from 125. Here you can see one more pair of 5. Okay, so that also you can take as common factor. Okay, one pair of 5 you got like this. This 5 and this 5 will be one pair. Now, secondly, these two 5s will be the second pair. So, these pair you can take as 1 5. While writing common factor, you can write this pair, first pair as 1 5, then second pair also as another 5. So, common factors are 2 5s. Okay, so while finding HCF, now we need to find the HCF. After common factors, you need to find the HCF. For finding HCF, multiply these two 5s. 5 into 5, you will get 25. So HCF of 75 and 125, it is 25. Now you can do the same method. That is, you can do the prime factor method by another way also. Okay, that is finding the prime factorization of, doing the prime factorization of 75 and 125 together. Okay, so in one step you can find the prime factorization. In the first method we do it separately. Okay, so while doing the prime factorization of 75 and 125 together, you need to divide these numbers with a prime number with which these two numbers are divisible. Okay, find a prime number with which both 75 and 125 is divisible. You can find that 5 only. Okay, so 5. Now 75 divided by 5, it is 15. 125 divided by 5, it is 25. Now again, find a prime number with which 15 and 25 is divisible. Okay, so again it is 5 only. So you can divide 15 by 5, that is 3. 25 by 5, you will get 5. Okay, now here 3 and 5 you got. We can't find a prime number with which both 3 and 5 is divisible. Okay, so you can stop here. Now HCF, what will be the HCF? Multiply these two 5s. 5 into 5, you will get 25. Same thing you got in the first method also, 25. Okay, so 3 here, 3 and 5 do not have a common prime factor. Okay, you can't divide 3 and 5 by a number, by a prime number. Okay, so you can stop there. So the HCF will be 5 into 5, 25. Okay. B, 24, 54 and 60. Okay, so you can first do the prime factorization of 24, 54 and 60 separately. Okay, so 24, it is divisible by 2. Okay, so 24 you can divide it by 2, you will get 12. Now 12 you can divide it by again 2, so you will get 6. 6 also you can divide it by 2, so 6 divided by 2 you will get 3. Now 3 you can divide it by 3 only, so 3 divided by 3 you will get 1. Okay, next 54. 54 you can divide it by 2, so 54 divided by 2, 27. Okay, 27 is divisible by 3, so 27 divided by 3, 9. Okay, 9 is divisible by 3, so 9 divided by 3, 3. Okay, 3 divided by 3, 1. Okay, next prime factorization of 60. So 60 you can divide it by 2, you will get 30. 30 you can divide it by 2, you will get 15. 15 you can divide it by 3, you will get 5. 5 you can divide it by 5, you will get 1. Okay, now you can write the prime factorization of 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Prime factorization of 54 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3. Next, prime factorization of 60 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Finding their common factors. What you will get? Here 1 time 2 is coming in 3 numbers. So 2 you can pair. Okay, 2. Now 2 is coming here, but 2 in 54 you can't find it 2. So that you can't take. Then 3. 3 is coming 1 time here in 24. Then in 54 also 1 3 is there. 60 also 1 3 is there. So common factor, second common factor will be 3. Okay, this much only you can pair. So common factors are 2 and 3. Finding their HCF, what to do? Multiply these two numbers. 2 into 3 equal to 6. So HCF of 24, 54 and 60, it is 6. Okay. Now another way of doing prime factor method. It is doing the prime factorization of 24, 54 and 60 together. So these three numbers are divisible by 2. So you can divide 24, 54 and 60 by 2. So 24 divided by 2 it is 12. 54 divided by 2 it is 27. 60 divided by 2 it is 30. Okay. Now 12, 27 and 30. These three are divisible by 3. Okay. So you can divide 12 by 3. You will get 4. 27 divided by 3 it is 9. 30 divided by 3 it is 10. Okay. Now you can't find a prime number with which you can divide 4, 9 and 10. Okay. So if you can find a prime number with which you can divide 4, 9 and 10, these three numbers you have to divide. But if you can find, then only you can divide. Okay, but there is no such prime number, so you can stop here. So what will be HCF? HCF will be 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay. Next is C, 63, 70 and 98. So doing the prime factorization of 63, you can divide it by 3. You will get 21. 21 you can divide it by 3. You will get 7. Okay, 7 you can divide it by 7 only. You will get 1. Okay, next is 70. 70 you can divide it by 2. You will get 35. 35 you can divide it by 5 only. Okay, so 35 divided by 5 it is 7. 7 divided by 7 you will get 1. Next 98. 98 divided by 2 you will get 49. Okay, 49 is divisible by 7. So divide 49 by 7, you will get 7. 7 into 7 it is 49. Now 7 again dividing by 7 you will get 1. So 63 equal to, how can you write? 3 into 3 into 7. Okay. Next is 70 equal to 2 into 5 into 7. Next 98 equal to 2 into 7 into 7. Now finding common factors, what you will get? Here 7 is coming in both three, in these three numbers, 7. Okay, so that you can pair. Now no other number you can find like this. Okay, 7 is coming in both, coming in 63, 70 and 98 one time, so you can pair that only. So common factor it is 7. So here HCF is 7. Okay. Now another way of doing prime factor method is doing the prime factorization of three numbers together. Okay. Now here you need to find a prime number with which you can divide all these three numbers, that is 63, 70 and 98. Okay. So let us take first 2. 2 you can't take because 63 is not divisible by 2. Now next 3 you can't take because 70 is not divisible by 3. Okay. Now 5. No number is divisible by 5. So 5 also you can't take. Next 7. All these three numbers are divisible by 7. So you can take a 7. 63 division 7 it is 9. 70 division 7 it is 10. 98 division 7 it is 14. Okay. Now 9, 10, 40. You need to find a prime number with which you can divide these three, that is 9, 10 and 40. But there is no such a prime number. So there is no prime number which divides these three numbers, that is 9, 10 and 14. So you can stop doing here. Okay. So from this you can find the HCF, it is 7. Now exercise 8B, sixth question, in that D, E and F do as homework. This much for this class. Thank you.